everyone, welcome back to my channel Art Palette. I am Priya and in this video I am sharing a DIY tea light candle holder from cardboard box. Here I took a cardboard box and cut it into two equal parts. Put some putty dough inside it to make it heavy so that it can't fall while using. Cut two cardboard and make circle in one of them and paste it on the cardboard box with the help of wall putty, Fevicol and water paste. Apply wall putty paste on the front part also. Let it dry for 2 hours. Now I had pasted a thin designer cardboard on the candle holder. You can paste any colored paper also on it. Color it with golden pearl color and let it dry. If you enjoy watching my video, then like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon for video notification. Thanks for watching.